What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another edition of Dad Does Videos. If you own a Chamberlain MyQ smart garage control like this one right here, eventually you're gonna have to change the battery in it. We're gonna show you how quick and how easy this is. Here's a view underneath the smart garage control that should be existing on one of the panels on your garage door. All we need is a flathead screwdriver like this, and we're gonna gently insert this into the little slot right there in the device on your garage door. So I'm gonna slide this in, and we're just gonna simply twist one way or another, and this should pop the top right off. So you can see it pop the top open. You just simply remove. Okay, so here is the part of the device that we just took off the garage door. You could see this little lip on the bottom. That's where I stuck in that flathead screwdriver. We're just gonna twist this way so you can see the chamber that holds the battery. You can see the positive on the bottom. You're gonna remember that in a second. That's gonna be a little bit more important, but we are just going to use our Q-tip to press on either side of the battery to force the battery out of the chamber. We can't press straight on because there's a bracket there. Could you use the flathead screwdriver that you use to pop this part of the device off? Sure, but it's a little bit safer, and Chamberlain recommends using something soft like a Q-tip. So we're just going to press our Q-tip up. As you can see, the battery comes right off. This is a CR2450. There's a good view battery, so you're gonna need to run to the store and grab one of these. All right, so once you have your new battery, you're gonna grab it and make sure the positive, you can see it's right by my thumb right here, get you a good view, there it is on the bottom. When you insert it, you want that to match the positive on the bottom of your chamber. So we're just gonna like this, slide this right in like that, and then we will be about ready to pop it back on the garage door. All right, so we've got our device ready to go. It's facing right side up. And if there's a question about that, you can see the little lip on the bottom. We're just gonna press that right back in to the piece that's on the garage until it clicks. That's how you change the battery. Thanks for watching, everybody.